Hey, do you remember when we were in math class and struggled with word problems?
Yes, I do. Word problems can be challenging, but they teach us how to apply math concepts in real-life situations.
That's true. Did you know that math is used in almost every aspect of our lives?
Yes, math is essential in everyday life. From calculating the tip at a restaurant to managing finances, math is everywhere.
Wow, I had no idea. What other areas of life use math?
Well, math is used in fields such as engineering, science, medicine, and even sports.
That's fascinating. I wish I had paid more attention in math class.
It's never too late to learn. Understanding math concepts is essential in many aspects of life.
You are right. I'll make sure to study harder next time.
That's great to hear. Math can be challenging, but it's worth the effort in the long run.